And the last man standing match is underway. King, this isn't about pinning your opponent or making them submit. In order to win, you must physically destroy him.
There's no question that this one's going to be a struggle. An outright battle of wills. Cena looking for something big.
He drops the elbow. Championship on the line. Big move coming. Cena into the headlock. Look at Cena go.
Uh-oh, Cena's got it.
The power and quickness of Cena. And the knuckles connect. Remember, the Intercontinental Championship's on the line. Whether you cheer him or not, John Cena evokes more emotion out of our fans than anybody in WWE history.
You know, I think the entire WWE Universe likes Cena. They like to have fun with him.
With the championship at stake, you know these superstars will get everything they have to win here tonight.
This arena is absolutely electric for John Cena. Without question, there's no doubt about how prestigious the Intercontinental Championship is here in the WWE. He's got him up.
He plants him down with authority.
He's just getting dissected.
And he does it one more time.
Uh-oh, this is bad.
Just one big power move after another. Remember, in championship matches, the title cannot change hands by countout or disqualification.
Yeah, that's why they call it the championship advantage. You can lose the match, but still keep the title. Ah!
Cena, with determination pumping in his heart.
Keep your eye on Cena. You know, John Cena's no slouch when it comes to his ground game. Oh, look out!
What a match. Momentum has shifted back and forth repeatedly between these superstars. This is it. This is John Cena's moment.
Ooh. And the dog smelled that one coming. Oh, no!
Watch it. Watch it.
Oh, great move by the dog. Watch this.
And now, looking to put him away.
What a move by the champ.
Here we go with the count. He's got 10 seconds to get back up to his feet.
At this point, everybody gets a bit of a breather. You know, that happens so rarely in a match, you sometimes forget, as the aggressor, to take advantage of this time.
8, 9, 10. Okay,
The dog wins!
Championship retained over some game competition.